Hey guys, video 7, Mudman 1959 coming at you again. Working on the T. Something's missing. Yeah, it's out. There she is on the hoist. Pans off. And there's my problem child right there. I'll take that up to Steve's Antique Auto in Muskegon tomorrow. Drop it off for a rebuild. So while it's off, going to take the pan over to a friend that works on Model Ts. He's going to put it on the pan buck and check to see if she's straight. And if it isn't, we're going to straighten it. He's going to give me a lesson on how to do that. So we're going to try to get this back together here in the next little bit. Got it all ripped apart. Came apart pretty easy. Came out pretty easy, actually. It was a little stuck in there, and got a screwdriver underneath the motor mounts and popped it up, and out she came. So it's a lot easier with the hogshead off. If you're going to pull an engine, take the hogshead off. Don't fight the pedals. It comes out a whole lot easier. So anyways, we've got it all torn down here. Tomorrow's the day the transmission's going to go in. And we'll get this thing back together eventually here and get her back on the road. So Mudman 1959 signing off from working on the T. Video number 7, I think. See you guys.